So hello traders, and this is our Gold Rush Daily. Sorry for the late updates. It was quite a busy day, so I beg your forgiveness for that. But let's look at what is happening with gold. So when you look at gold, today it has been quite a bullish. It pushed to about 3310, that 311 level. And from there, we have been seeing a bullish, some bullish sentiments. Um, it has been quite a bullish through today, the entire of today. So we were looking at when you come to the 1 hour time frame, we are looking at this 4 hour level. I think it's much visible from the 1 hour time frame. So we were anticipating the price to come to this 1 hour order block, right? This is the 1 hour order block. So because it created a structure here, BOS. So the anticipation is the price to give some sales here. But when you see how this 1 hour candlestick, as you look at this candlestick, the 1 hour candlestick is being more bullish. How it closed is very looks very bullish, right? So the reason why this level now becomes a bit less risky level, right? A bit high risk level, I mean. So I had trimmed it like that on the 15 minutes chart. So that is how the entry was. And the price was pushed down about 37 pips, right? So far, 37 pips. So this is a very risky setup, high risk, slightly high risk, because as you can see, we are in an upward trajectory and we are trading that retracement. I was looking forward for a retracement at that particular point. Let's see what happens. But when you look at the strength meter, you see the dollar index is very strong. I mean, um, gold is very strong compared to the dollar index. The dollar index is very weak. Today, I've been seeing a bearish dollar index, and I think maybe let me highlight that here. So when you look at the dollar index, do I have the DXY here? Nope. So let me yes, I have the DXY here. So when you look at the dollar index, basically we were looking at it coming to this 4 hour order block, right? We have this 4 hour order block, which it has not yet tapped below there, the bullish order block. When you minimize it to the 1 hour time frame, that's how we have our order block there. So as you can see, it has been bearish, and we are anticipating the price at least to tap here before giving us the next direction. So we might continue seeing slightly bearish dollar index before the price reaches the end. We see what next, and that's what has really caused the high impact, the bullishness in the dollar with gold, right? That's what is making a lot of bullishness here with gold. So in case the price is going to break above this level, then the next level that we'll be looking at is this particular zone, right? So it will create a BOS here, which will give us maybe probably a retracement to this level. So these levels that it will create here, we cannot really validate this level at the moment because we don't have a BOS. But in case we get a BOS, this will be the level to look at for some buys in case it retraces, right? So it has been quite fishy because we see how price has been reacting here. So I think these are the moments that you first of all uh, if you see entries, you take them with minimum risk, right? And you observe what the price does. Okay. So remember, not every day is a tradable day, and don't try to force trades. If you don't see it, you're not seeing it, and therefore you need to wait until you have I plus setup. Okay. So after this level now, the next, in case that level is broken, this level is violated, then we might see the price push all the way to this particular point. So these are a buying zone of about it's not even 100 pips, so it's not really much significant for me because I want levels that in case I trade, they're going to give me like 100 pips a setup. So maybe it's a matter of in case the price comes to this level, maybe probably we look for some selling opportunities here. As you can see right now, we are in this setup here, right? But I said it's a bit high risk, right? It's a bit high risk because of the momentum, the bullishness momentum we have. And also, if you look at the dollar index, it's quite it's quite weak compared to a very strong dollar, I mean, compared to a very strong gold. Okay, so that's what we will be monitoring. Sorry for posting late, but I haven't taken any setup apart from this one. So for factory calendar, we only have the FOMC meeting minutes at 9 p.m. today. So I'm not anticipating I'm not anticipating any impact because these are just news, the minutes of the previous meeting. Okay. So with that, tomorrow I'll try post earlier. Today I had quite a busy day, so tomorrow I'll try post early. We see what we can be able to have. So for now, remember to stay focused, to stay disciplined, and to always trade with purpose.